Elmo Sound Street 600D.
Please. Why, you... Huh? So!
You see what I see, Dixie?
Well, that's my britches. I don't believe it.
Anybody get the number of that truck?
So sorry, please. Why, you...
I dare you to do that again, Buster.
So!
Hello, you know, Jack is dynamite.
Is the doctor in the house?
Much regretful, please.
I dare you to do that again, friend.
Wow!
Thank you, Mr. Cat, for cooperation in demonstration, please. Observe, please. Number 1 lesson of judo, nagawaza, or throwing trick, where honorable leverage are used to clobber honorable opponent, please. So,
That's all there is to judo?
not so, please. Must learn plenty more.
That's plenty for me. Judo